What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you where the underhood fuse boxes are on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So over on the driver's side, under the hood, there is a fuse box right here. There's a little clip right here. You just push down on the clip, then you can pull the cover up, just like that. And then there's two retainers that hold that onto clips down there. There's a key on the back side that tells you where the individual fuses are. It doesn't tell the specifics of the fuses, it just gives a couple little abbreviations. And there's fuses on the driver's side, a couple of relays, a couple of connectors. To put this back on, slide that over to the two tabs and then lock it back down. Now over on the passenger side, there is another one right here. Push down on the clip in the back, slide it out, flip it over, there's the key. Again, just abbreviations. It does say like the headlight, right and left and stuff, so there's some more fuses, more relays. And there's some extra spare fuses, which is nice. There's a 30 amp, 20 amp, and a 10. So if you need those, and slide this back over those two little tabs and lock it back down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.